On this episode, we are reinstalling suspension. So what happened was I took it off, sandblasted it, sanded it, deburred it, painted it, welded it, painted it, welded it again, painted it some more. I boxed in the A-arms here and here because why not? And then, we had to weld on these brackets for the sway bar. This is a Vick Auto sway bar, but they're basically all the same. And then we built the stainless steel Hydrosport coilover struts. We got everything installed, and then the plan was when the motor went in, it was going to come in from the bottom, and so all this suspension was going to have to come out anyway. So I never fully installed it. It's just hanging in there. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm weird, I know, y'all will get used to it, but I got to do some stuff. So the compressor is whisper quiet. I don't even know when it's running. So there's space in between here, gap between your bushing sleeve and the frame of the car, subframe, whatever you want to call it. There's these shims, and they're going to go in between the sub and the bushing. It helps keep it centered. So you got to hold this up, you got to hold it up over here, you got to push this up, and then you got to get the bolt in. Don't forget your washer, and then you'll be okay. So a couple of alignment tools. That is, that's how easy it is. Okay? It's that easy. Now I gotta do this one right here. Wait, we were working over here. We were over here. It was that easy. Now we have to go over here. And then we have to do the other two up front. So here we go again. Okay. So the back two are in, and now we have to do the front two. I'm gonna say second verse same as the first, but the first verse was terrible, so hopefully second verse is better than the first. And it's hard to get tools in here. It's taking way too long already, and I don't like it. So camera cut off, but you know, there's always one, and I needed all of that to get that bolt through with the shims. So now the suspension is all secured. The big bolts, the struts, the top. I think I'm going to continue working on the bottom of the car. So I found these on the rockauto.com a year ago, which is when I was doing this, and they'll match the front. They'll match the front, so we're going to put those on. Probably drive shafts, CV joint drive shafts, whatever you want to call them, turn straw spinner thingies. You can see that, but because the car's been sitting, there's a little rust buildup between the hanger, caliper, and this little slider. It doesn't want to slide. So, you know, this needs to come off and get greased anyway. And since we're taking this off, I'll take this off, take this off, and we'll put the new one on. And then I got stud kit for the rear. So that's all for today, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.